channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little tiny unboxing. It's actually an item that is a little different for me. So, as you know, I absolutely love this beauty right here. This is the Pochette Metis, but I might have mentioned before one of my complaints. She mentioned this in a recent video. If you haven't checked that out, I will link it down below. I talked about all my favorite handbags and things I did not like about them, so make sure to check that out. But one of my major complaints about the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis is obviously the vachetta. I mentioned all it took was a little bit of hand sanitizer and I completely ruined it. I did not treat it with Apple Guard, which is what a lot of people say you should do. So because of that, I have a bunch of like little, it's going to be hard to pick up on camera, but I have a bunch of little watermarks and some little stains. So I got to thinking about it and I was like, well, one thing that I've never thought about is a bandeau or a twilly. Now I have to be honest, in the past I used to think, a twilly, like why would you spend the money on one of those? It doesn't make any sense. But I started seeing twillies on people's handbags and I thought to myself, that actually looks really, really cute and it can kind of ump up the bag and kind of make it a little more stylish, make it go with a couple more outfits. So I happened to be perusing the website and I found one. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. And then later on in the video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply that twilly to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the event that you have this bag as well and you are curious on how to apply it. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see which bandeau I picked up and how to apply it to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, then keep watching. Okay, so I have a little unboxing here. It comes with the receipt and I want to tell you specifically what this bandeau is called in the event this is something that you want to get. It is called the LV Escale Confidential Bandeau and the code is M76186, just in case you guys are looking for it as well. And I will try to find it on Fashionphile as well. If I am able to find it, I'll link it down below. Okay, so you guys know how much I love the Escale collection. So when I saw that they had a bandeau for the Escale collection, I was very excited. Here is the box right there. Now this comes in some tissue paper right there. So I don't want to take the sticker off, so I'm just going to kind of pull it out here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't know if this is going to pick up on camera, like how beautiful these colors are, but you guys know, if you've been watching me for a long time, how much I love pastel and tie-dye. These colors are absolutely beautiful. Now it does have like a chain, it's like a silver chain going through it, and it has the LV logo. You can see it's so pretty with the periwinkle blue, the yellow, and the pink. And just so you know, these bandeaus, or a lot of people call them twillies, if you buy them from Hermes, they call them twillies. It's neat because you can wear these so many different ways. You can wear them as scarves around your neck, you can wear them as twillies on your handbags to kind of protect the vachetta. That's what I'm going to do today, but there are tons of different ways to use these. You can create a cute little bow on your bag, but I'm going to show you the main way that I'm going to use it today. So first, here it is. Again, it's 100% silk, so incredibly beautiful. Again, I'm really hoping the camera will pick up how beautiful these colors are together. I just love pastels, but this was actually one of the more affordable bandeaus on the website. This one in particular is $195. So I'm super excited to get this because I feel like this is going to go so well on my Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Now I have the Pochette Metis in the monogram. I also have it in the black Empreinte leather. And because this has black in it as well, I think it's also going to go really well on that one. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go behind the camera and I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply this twilly on my Pochette Metis. Now, as I stated, there are tons of ways to do this, so I would definitely recommend Googling that or looking on YouTube, but I wanted to show you how I am going to tie it. But that is the beauty of these bandeaus. You can get creative with your style and it just really makes the handbag go up a notch. So I'm really excited to show you. So let me go behind the camera and we are going to put this little twilly or this bandeau on my Pochette Metis. Okay, so what I'm going to do just before I get started, I'm going to take the strap off of the Pochette Metis, otherwise it's going to keep pulling it forward. Okay, so here is what the beautiful bandeau looks like. So the way that I'm going to do it is I want it to completely cover this handle because as you can see it has a ton of little watermarks on it, but this definitely could have been avoided had I applied Apple Guard or something like that. So the next time I do get a bag that does have the vachetta, I'm going to be sure to apply the Apple Guard. So what I want is I actually want this to kind of stick out like that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of place it where I want it right there. Put this under here, and I'm going to tie a little knot. And you want it to be kind of a tight knot so that you can't really see it and you can kind of maneuver it. And then what you want to do is you want to start to wrap it around like this. And just you want to kind of, as you go around and you loop it, you want to pull tight. And you'll be able to see as you get to the end whether or not it's even, because the goal is for it to be even on both sides. So if you notice that it is bunching up, you know, just keep pulling a little, but you just want to keep twisting it. And again, a lot of this has to do with how you want it to look, like which side you want it on. So I'm going to keep pulling it like that. And I absolutely love those colors. I think this is so pretty, not only for the end of summer, but you can even wear it into fall, and I think this would be great for next spring as well. But you can see we're getting close to the end and we still have a bunch left. So what you want to do is kind of, you know, pull it over a little bit. And you're just going to keep wrapping. Okay, so now you can see we are getting close to the end. So what you're going to want to do, okay, it's still a little more. Pull it tight, and I think this is going to be the last time we're going to wrap it. And then you're going to want to kind of pull this up a little bit and stick it through like so. And kind of pull a little bit, pull it out. You can see like that, because ultimately I want it to cover this vachetta here. And you want to make sure that it's even on both sides, and I would say that's pretty even. You can pull it a little tighter. But I wanted to just kind of give you an idea of how that looks. So see how pretty that looks, and if it is a little lumpy like that, you can just pull it tighter. But I think that it looks absolutely stunning when you cover it like this. Again, if you don't want to use it like this, you can also create little bows if you just want it on one side. So you can see just how incredibly cute that looks right there. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is what it looks like with the twilly on it. I think it just adds a little something extra to the bag, and now I'm going to protect the vachetta, so hopefully I won't get any more stains on it. But as I stated, there are tons of different ways to tie this, so I would definitely recommend Googling it or YouTubing it. I'm sure there are tons of videos, but this is the way that I like mine, so I wanted to show you how I did it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll be sure to try to find this bag as well as this bandeau and link it down below. The beauty is, if you don't want to get a bandeau from Louis Vuitton, you don't have to. You can get one from Hermes. There are tons of different fashion houses that have these, but again, this is something that I never really thought I would purchase, but I feel like it's a great idea, and I think it just does a little something extra to the bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little different. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my little YouTube family, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I post a ton of outfit pics and flat lays and all kinds kinds of fashion items over there, so make sure you follow me. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and thank you so much for taking time to watch.
Wish me the best of luck.